In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an external link to your blog post, making it easier for your readers to find additional resources or references. This is a great way to enrich your content and engage your audience by providing them with useful external information. Starting off, you'll want to navigate to the specific blog post you intend to edit. This might be a post that you've recently published or perhaps one that's in draft form. Either way, make sure you're logged into the platform where your blog is hosted and locate your desired post in the dashboard. Once you've selected the post, click on the edit option, which will open the post in an editor view. In this editor, you'll see your post laid out, including all the text, images, and any other media you've incorporated. Here, you'll want to decide exactly where you'd like to add the external link. It could be directly in the text, linking a specific word or phrase, or perhaps it's more appropriate at the end of a paragraph as a suggested reading. Once you've decided on the placement, highlight the text you wish to link. This highlighting indicates to the editor where you'd like to insert the URL. With your text selected, look for the link icon in the toolbar, which generally resembles a chain or a linked chain. Clicking on it will open the link settings. In this window, you'll see an input field, likely prompting you to enter a URL. Copy the external URL you want to add and paste it into this field. Double check to ensure there are no typos or errors in the URL, as these could lead to broken links when your readers click. Most editors will also offer an option to open the link in a new tab. Enabling this is generally a good idea for external links, as it allows readers to explore the additional information without navigating away from your content entirely. Now that you've entered the URL and configured the settings, go ahead and press the Save or Insert button, which will apply these changes to your post. You'll likely see your highlighted text now underlined and colored, typical indications of an active hyperlink. Before finalizing, it's always a smart practice to preview your blog post. This preview allows you to click the link yourself to make sure it directs to the correct external page and that all settings appear as intended. Finally, save your changes to publish or update the post. By doing this, you've successfully added an external URL to your blog post. Remember, providing valuable external links not only improves the reader's experience, but can also enhance your blog's SEO and credibility. With this newfound skill, consider revisiting past posts where external resources might add value for your readers. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to elevate your blogging game.